Hey guys, Yuri K here. In today's video, I will be discussing melatonin and the sleep-wake cycle, also known as the circadian rhythm. Melatonin is a hormone and also a neurotransmitter which is produced in the pineal gland located in the brain, part of the central nervous system, the CNS. And so melatonin's main function is in the regulation and the synchronization of the sleep-wake cycles, also known as the circadian rhythm, experienced by not only humans but mammals in general. Melatonin is produced in periods of darkness after the sun goes down, and this is what gives the signal to the body that makes it feel tired and sleepy. It's the hormone that's going to make you want to go to sleep. Melatonin is produced throughout the night, and then when the sun begins to come up in the morning, melatonin production ceases. And this is what gives the body the signal that it's time to wake up. This is our natural biological clock. Now, melatonin will have the opposite effect on nocturnal animals. When the sun goes down, it's going to tell the animals essentially to wake up from their afternoon nap and to get active, and this is the time when animals will generally begin to scavenge around and hunt for their prey at night. Melatonin is produced in either one of two ways. The first is, it is derived out of tryptophan, which is an amino acid that is used in the synthesis of protein in the body. Tryptophan is the precursor to two kinds of neurotransmitters. One is serotonin, also known as the feel-good hormone, and the other is melatonin. Tryptophan is commonly found in meat and dairy products which are rich in proteins, which is where the old belief comes from that by eating too much turkey it makes you sleepy. Well, in reality, turkey has about the same amount of tryptophan as most other forms of poultry, so it's not going to be any more rich in tryptophan than, say, chicken or other forms of meats. So it'll have the same effect. It'll basically convert to, again, serotonin and also melatonin. And melatonin, again, is what's going to make you sleepy. Melatonin can also be found in certain foods, such as bananas, grapes, rice, cereals, herbs, plums, olive oil, and even wines and beers. So not surprisingly, with melatonin, it is often sold in tablet or pill form as a sleeping aid and is known to help people with insomnia and people who are suffering from jet lag. Melatonin has a number of other positive benefits as well. It is actually known as a very powerful antioxidant. One thing that it does is that it protects from oxidative stress. It actually scavenges for and absorbs free radicals or toxins in the body and protects cells from damage caused by radiation, which we all experience in our environment. Furthermore, melatonin protects the mitochondrial DNA of cells. That is the DNA that is contained within the mitochondria of the cells themselves. This is not the primary DNA in cells, which is for the most part contained in the nucleus. However, it is the mitochondria in the cells that act as the spark plugs of the body. They're responsible for producing a chemical known as adenosine triphosphate, known as ATP. ATP is known as the basic currency of energy, and it is what's going to allow any sort of energy to be produced and used in the body. So not surprisingly, while melatonin will make you sleepy at night, it can also give you a general energy boost throughout the day as a direct result of the mitochondria's ability to produce more ATP for energy. Now, since melatonin protects against cellular damage, this may also help to reduce the probability of getting cancer, which is again the direct result of the mutation of cells. And what's more, melatonin even has additional health benefits. For example, evidence has shown that it can help reduce the incidences of cluster headaches. It can also help the movement and the passage of gallstones in the gallbladder. It even helps to reduce tinnitus, which is the hearing of external sounds in the ear, for example, ringing in the ears. So as you can see, melatonin has numerous health benefits, but again, its primary function is in the regulation of the body's circadian rhythm. It's important to keep in mind that once it gets dark and we begin to fall asleep, we try to get uninterrupted sleep with as little light as possible, because while we're sleeping, even the smallest amount of light can disrupt and even shut down our melatonin production for the rest of the night. Instead, we want to sleep in the darkest environment possible, and we want to try to sleep through the entire night so that the pineal gland can continue producing melatonin all throughout the night and help us sleep better. So there you have it, guys. Hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Please comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. And remember to follow me on Instagram down in the info box below at YuriK0877. Thanks again, guys. Bye-bye.